Hey guys, welcome to Shaving in the Construction Zone. Uh, got this little wall out right here. I think last video I showed you I had a wall coming out right here. It came out about, I don't know, 2.5 feet or so. And I got that wall out, got the supply lines for the plumbing. I got those cut and capped off down below the tongue and groove floor here. Uh, we've had a bunch of rain the last couple of weeks. I mean, massive amounts of rain. I had standing water out in my yard, and I've had water down in my crawl space below my floors. So I've had to fire up my sump pump and pump water out. I pumped water for about 26 hours straight out of there, and finally got it out of there. But it's wet from it being underwater, so it's kind of mud-like down there. So I haven't been crawling around down there doing any work because I don't want to go down there and just slop around in it. It's got plastic like Visqueen down, but it isn't in every spot. So there's some like mud spots, and I don't want to go down there and get into all that. So I've stayed out of there. Had that problem before in this house whenever we've had really, really wet winters, and I guess we're in like an El Nino year this year, so we're having lots of rain. It's warmer than normal and more rain. So, yeah, I've had to pump water out before. Probably what I should do is put an automatic pump in that automatically turns on. What I do is when it gets wet and rainy, really rainy for days and days and days, is like, I'll check in the crawl space. And if it starts getting water backing up down there. It was doing really good. We had a bunch of rain, and then one day I looked down there and wham, there it was. But I walked out in the yard and you could tell the whole yard was just saturated with water. So I've been dealing with that, and I'm having a hard time I'm looking for a shower pan. I'm going to do a walk-in shower, and I'm having a hard time finding a pan for that to fit in this dimension that I have. So anyways, that's kind of where I'm at now. But anyways, this is a shaving, not a construction channel. So might be better if I did a construction channel. But anyways, tonight's shave, guys. Gonna clean the neck up. Got 3 days growth going on here. We're gonna come back tonight with the Shavette, the Parker. And we've got it loaded up with a Gillette that I just threw at the camera. 7 o'clock black. One of those bad boys, and I think this is the 6th shave on this one, so I'm probably getting at the end of the run for that blade. And for a brush, we're going to use the old Maggarts with the maple leaf and the Timberwolf knot, 24 mil, one of my favorite brushes. And what else are we using? Oh, the most important thing, the soap. We're going to use one of my favorites, Ariana and Evans. Get that in there. St Barts. Great soap. If you haven't used Ariana and Evans, try their soap. Wonderful post-shave feel with their soap. This stuff is awesome. I get like a lime and kind of a coconut thing going on there. It definitely gives you that, St. Bart's Caribbean vibe, smell, feel to it. It's really enjoy it, and get their splash. If you buy any Ariana and Evans, get their splash. Their splashes are freaking rock. They are awesome. It's worth it. Pick it up. You won't be sorry. Anyways, let me get this ladder going and whipped up, and I'll come back because I've burned enough time bullshitting about my construction problems. So hang on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. Got the A&E St Barts in really nice shape right there. Stuff is freaking awesome. They are one of my favorites, right up there with any of the big boys. And I just love their post-shave feel. All right, let's give this a go. 6th shave with this blade. Didn't feel too bad. And that was close. Almost got myself right there. In fact, no, maybe not. It is easy to do with one of these, trust me. Any of you guys that use these know. Been watching some good videos this week. I saw that the Leaf razor company, Leaf Shaving, has come out with their new twig, and that thing's nice. That's like a full-on shaver. That first rendition of that thing, it was just like a trimmer, but this is a full-on freaking single-edge razor. It looks really nice. First one was just plastic, and this thing's some kind of metal, stainless something. I don't know what it's made of, but it sure looks nice. Yep, I did get myself. I thought I did. Yeah, there you go. I've had a really good run at this, and as soon as I get on camera, I get myself not too bad, but definitely did a little bit. Get in a hurry. All right, let me rinse, relather, and see if I need to take care of this issue, and I'll be right back. Hang on. All right, guys, we are back. I think we got that blood slowed down a little bit. Yeah. We'll tread lightly. We'll tread lightly over that area. I actually tread lightly over all areas. That's just a little one. I've can get a lot worse ones than that with this thing. Oh yeah, nothing a little styptic won't fix. Tell you what, man, if any of you guys are looking to get in a shavette, make sure you got one of these in stock, because you're going to need it. The learning curve is steep. Not a lot of dialogue in the shavette videos. If you do, you end up doing that. Alright, that is not too shabby. I can live with that. Let me clean up, and I'll come back and grab you in a quick post shave, and we'll get out of here. Okay, guys, we're back. That was an awesome shave. We had one little hiccup right there, but you know what? That's no harm, no foul. Tell you what, if you pick up any Ariana and Evans soap, man, jump over there and get some of their Magic Splash. I have 3 of these, and they were all equally wonderful. Just really nice on your skin, great scent, and I can't speak highly enough of them. So I'm gonna throw a little on there. It's got a nice little restrictor on there. You can see that. I think you can see that. Yeah. And I'm gonna go to town with some of this. Anyways, guys, that was my quick little cleanup, the old neck shave, and construction news, which is not much right now. We're kind of in a holding pattern. But we'll get there. Just got to get my ducks lined up and get this rolling. Anyways, drop me a comment and say hi, and you guys have a great rest of your weekend. And I will see you all down the proverbial trail. Peace.